Hello everybody and welcome to Excel tutorial series, and in this video we are going to be learning how to compare cells in Excel. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So right now, as you can see, we have two lists in here, list A and list B. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be comparing the data of both of these columns, and we are going to be selecting or highlighting the values that are common in both of them. So if you have a closer look, some of these values are similar on both of these lists, such as soy and fish. So we're going to be selecting the common values. To do so, you can follow this step-by-step guide, which is fairly simple. So select your first cell and select your last cell, and after that, from your home tab you need to head over to conditional formatting drop down, and in here you'll be able to see that we have this highlight cell rules. We are going to be selecting duplicate values from here. You can also see we have some other formattings as well. So select duplicate values, so you can see a window pop up, and as well we can see our duplicate values are now highlighted. Now you can also choose from the drop down if you want to select the unique values. So let's say if you want to select only the unique values in both of these lists, you can do that too, and if you want to do duplicate values, you can do that as well. From the second drop down, here you have some highlight editing features. So let's say if I want light red fill, I can do that in here, and if I only want red text to appear instead of the whole cell to become red, I can do that as well. So you can see we have a custom format option as well. You can just explore it by yourself. For now, you can see we have just highlighted and compared both of our lists. So let's just change it back to light red fill and click on OK, and now we have our common values highlighted. So that's how you compare cells in Excel, and I really hope this video was helpful and you learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.